So good evening to everyone. So today in this video we are going to discuss about a Clariant Chemical share. So it was the most trending stock today. It has almost hit the upper circuit and it's currently at its 52-week high. So we'll try to find out why this special dividend of 140 rupees per share is being given. Okay, what was the reason for it? Because whenever we invest in any particular stock, we should have a particular reason as well as a analysis. So in the previous video we have discussed about future consumer. We have discussed all the technicals and levels in that video, so people have not watched can definitely watch it. And if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, so definitely subscribe for all the latest updates. So now let's discuss about this company and also we'll try to find out the technicals. So watch the video till end. So what does Clariant Specialty Chemicals do? So it is the one of the world's leading specialty chemical companies. So Clariant contributes to value creation with innovative and sustainable development. So this was the about the company. So it is belongs to chemical sector as well. So what apart from this it does? So its major business is only the chemical business, and it was listed almost so many years back only, but the amount of profits which it has generated are decent, not that great. But in recent times, during COVID time, when it hit the, we can say almost when all the stocks were trading low, even this also went to 200 level, and again it has given a huge retracement. Now we can see almost it will be touching 600 rupees. Okay, so that much amount of returns in short span of time, it has given huge returns. Now let us try to find out the overview of the company, then we'll see the shareholding and we'll see the why the 140 rupees dividend is given by this particular company. So when we see the overview of the company, you can see that current market cap is around 1300 crores, and you can see dividend yield is almost 1.89. Now we can see the special dividend is around 140 rupees per share, and if you see industry PE is around 17, and if you see current PE is not there for it. Okay, and when we see the deliveries is around 58.55%, and if you see book value is around 208.76 rupees. Okay, this is the basic overview of the company. Now let's try to find out the shareholding. So when we see the shareholding, we can see that almost promoters are having a 51% stake, and we can see pledging is 0 for the company, and FIs are having a decent amount of 0.23%, and DIs are having a 12.73%. And we can see mutual funds are having 0.07%. So mutual fund holding has slightly decreased, as well as FI's holding has also slightly decreased. So rest of all are almost flat holdings. Now let's try to find out the strength, weaknesses, as well as what are the opportunities available in this particular stock. So when we see the strengths, we can see that currently it's around 52-week high, and bullish engulfing pattern is formed, and growth in net profit as well as company is with low debt, no promoter pledge. So three important things you can find here are companies with no debt and 0 promoter pledge. And you can also see FI's holding is also increasing, and strong momentum in short, medium and long term moving averages. So we'll find out that also on charts. Now let us see the weaknesses. So when we see the weaknesses, we can see companies with growing cost year on year for long term projects. Mutual fund decreased, we can see almost slight decrease was there, and we can see inefficient use of assets to generate profits. ROA is declining. So book value per share deteriorating for last 2 years. So these are the few negatives of this particular company. Apart from that, if we see the opportunities, we can see that highest recovery from 52-week low and positive breakout is seen, and insiders also bought stocks. Okay, and big deal has also happened last month where 1% of total shares was bought. Okay, so these are the basic opportunities. So when we see the returns of this company, you can see almost in 1 year it has given 94.30% return, 6 months 43.20, and 3 months excellent returns of we can say that 116% returns. Almost it has doubled your investment, okay, in short span of time. So that also you should keep in mind. Now let's see why this 140 rupees per share dividend is given. So now we can see here that a statement which was given almost we can see it was given by it was most a trending statement. So I found a statement. So what is the reason? You can see here that it was why such big dividend. The reason is that it had sold its master batches business in Clariant Chemicals Limited to Poly1 Polymers India Private Limited. So it has sold one of its business to another business, so that it has earned a huge amount of money from that sale. Okay, so is it a good thing for that company? You also need to analyze that. So whenever any company, one company is selling its business to earn money, so what will be the future of the company? So in future the amount of profits which it may generate may also decrease. So that also you need to keep in mind. So when it's selling its major business to earn money and it's giving dividend, so that so many people will start investing, and once the share goes up, when profit booking happens, what will happen to the retailers? Okay, so you should also keep that point in mind. So that's why I wanted to show this article to you, so that you can understand the basic psychology of this particular share. Okay, so this was the main reason that the company is giving 140 rupees per share dividend. Okay, now let's see the technicals of this particular company. If you want, you can completely read this statement. Okay, so on technical chart, when we see on 1 week chart, so we can see that when the news came, almost it has gap up opening was seen as almost it has went to 581 rupees. So now near term also it may have some huge movement as well, and it may cross the 600 level also, because huge amount of buying is seen. And we need to, if you want to have a fresh investment, then you can have in small quantities only. If you want to test the stock, you can enter, but don't have a heavy greed and put so much amount of money. Also the money flow index also went to overbought region. Okay, so since dividend is coming directly into your account, for that you can have a try to invest. But for long term point of view, I have discussed my perspective, so you need to do your own analysis before you want to invest in that stock or not. Okay, next we'll see the 1 day chart. So in the 1 day chart also you can see a gap up opening has been seen for this particular stock, and it's trading above its moving averages, and it's near its 52-week high. So nothing we can say, only we need to see the further movement of this stock. If this type of buying is seen regularly, then definitely it will hit its continuous all-time highs. So people are invested, can enjoy the rally, and you can have a good amount of dividend also into your account. But also see about the long-term perspective also. Okay, in short-term point of view, you'll get excellent returns from this particular company. So this is all about Clariant Chemicals. So in the next video, we'll discuss about Urja Global. Okay, so stay tuned. So until then, take care. Bye bye.